Get a piece of origami color paper of your choice, fold into half, open it, fold half to create a triangle shape. Open it and fold the other side as well. Our guided lines are created. Press in horizontal fold to make a triangle. Lay in front of you with the tip pointing up. Fold the lower left and right corners up toward the center. Now turn the paper over. Pull up the tip so that it peeks slightly over the edge. Now fold down the two uppermost corners. This produces two little triangles on the left and the right, which you press flat. Turn it to the other side. Fold the protruding point back once completely, then halfway back up again. Now fold the butterfly in half down the middle, so that the two large paper surfaces are not on the outside. Finally, fold up both wings along the dotted edge shown. My origami butterfly is done! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time.